Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add music to your Pinterest pins to make your content more engaging and fun. First, open the Pinterest app and then tap on the plus button. Next, look for the music and select the create idea pin. You can either record a video or upload clips from your gallery. Click next. Now, once your video clips are ready, look for the music icon at the top of the screen. Tap to open Pinterest's music library. Browse to trending tracks, genres, or search for specific songs. You can preview a track before adding it to your idea plan. After selecting a song, you can trim it or choose the part of the track you want to play. Make sure it syncs well with your video content. Once you're happy with your music, tap done, then publish your idea pin. Your video now has music, making it more appealing to viewers, and that's how you add Pinterest music to Pinterest idea pins. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Pinterest tutorials.